Today we will discuss on topic of relation. First, what is meant by relation? The relation from set X to set Y. This relation is subset of Cartesian product set X and set Y. This is called relation from set X to set Y. In this relation, collection of R of certain order pairs, order pair XY, where small x is element of capital X and small y is element of capital Y. This is called relation. The element of relation in order pair XY. X is related to Y means order pair XY belongs to R. Is usually write this X is related to Y means X R Y can be written as and read X is related to Y. Next one is example of reflect relation. Example of relation. Consider set X, set of elements A, B, C, and consider set Y, set of element 1, 2. Then the relation from set X to set Y. The relation is order pair A1, B2, A2. This is relation from set X to set Y. In this diagram, A is mapping to 1 means 1 is image of A. A is mapping to 2 means 2 is image of A. B is mapping to 2 means 2 is image of B. This is relation from set X to set Y. The set of elements X means domain of relation R means in this relation, in this example, set of elements A, B is domain of this relation R, and set of images is called range of relation. In this example, set of elements 1, 2 is called range of this relation R. Next, different types of relation. There are 3 types of relation. First one is reflexive relation, second one is symmetric relation, third one is transitive relation. First, let us see reflexive relation. What is meant by reflexive relation? In this relation is mapping to itself means the relation R from set X to set X is said to be reflexive relation if each element small x belongs to capital X, order pair small x belongs to R means X is related to X. This is called reflexive relation. Next relation is symmetric relation. What is meant by symmetric relation? The relation in this relation is mapping from set X to set Y. This relation is called symmetric if consider 2 elements XY belongs to capital X, then order pair XY belongs to R means X is related to Y, then Y is also related to X. This relation is called symmetric relation. Next, transitive relation. What is meant by transitive relation? The relation from set X to Y, Y to Z, then this relation is also X to Z means XYZ belongs to capital X. Whenever order pair XY and order pair YZ means X is related to Y, the given, and Y is also related to Z given. X is related to Y and Y is also related to Z, then implies X is also related to Z. This is called transitive relation. Next, example of relation. Example of reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation. First, example of reflexive relation. Let us see. Consider set X. Set X is a set of all in a plane. This relation is defined as X is related to Y if X is parallel to Y. This is reflexive relation because we know that every line in a plane is parallel to itself. What is meant by reflexive relation? In this relation is mapping to itself means X is related to X means X is related to itself. This is called reflexive relation. In a plane, consider a line X and X is parallel to itself. So this is called reflexive relation. Next, let us consider second example, and this example is example of reflexive relation or not. So see this example. Consider set X, and this relation is defined on the set X. So what is set X? First we have to consider two elements in the set X, and relation order pair xy means x is related to y, means order pair xy belongs to x. When x is related to y, if x is perpendicular to y, if x is perpendicular to y, then this relation is reflexive or not? No, this is not a reflexive relation, because no line in play is perpendicular to itself. This is not relation, reflexive relation. Next, transitive relation. Consider the relation R and consider set X. So what is set X? Set X is a set of family members. Relation is defined on this set X. Order pair xy belongs to R. X is related to y. If x is brother of y, then this is relation is transitive or not? See, x is related to y means x is brother of y, and y is related to z means y is brother of z. X is brother of y and y is brother of z implies x is also brother of z. Hence, this is relation is called transitive relation. Next, see. Next topic is equivalence relation. What is meant by equivalence relation? The given relation R defined on the set X. Set X be any non-empty set. This relation is called equivalence relation if the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive also. Another definition of equivalence relation is same in mathematical format. The given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So reflexive means related to itself, means order pair x belongs to y, means x is related to x. Second, symmetric. If given order pair xy belongs to r, means x is related to y, implies y is also related to x. This is called symmetric relation. Third one is transitive. The given x is related to y means order pair xy, and order pair yz means y is also related to z. X is related to y and yz related to z, so x is also related to z. This is transitive relation. So the given relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive also. This relation is called equivalence relation, defined on the set X. Next, example of equivalence relation. Consider the relation R. What is the relation? X is related to y, x is related to y. The relation of these two elements if x and y belongs to the same class. Is relation is equivalence relation or not? Let us check. First, reflexive relation. Set X be the set of all students in college. There are two elements. There are two students in a class. So these two students is also belongs to same class. X is also belongs to same class, means related to itself. This is reflexive relation. Second, symmetric. X and y is also belongs to same class. So belongs to y and x is also belongs to same class. This is symmetric relation. Third one is transitive relation. There are three students in set X in college. X and y belongs to same class. Okay. YZ is also belongs to same class. So implies XZ is also belongs to same class. This relation is called equivalence relation. Thank you.